This is the controller I've been waiting for, the Ghost Cipher from Xbox. And it's clear that transparency is the new black. The new Special Edition from Xbox controllers is quite clearly a very good looking controller, and you can see that just from the outside of the box. Keeping in sync with the previous Sky Cipher, the box of the Ghost Cipher is also smaller than the older Gen 9 controllers. Now, I don't know about you, but I can't wait to get this thing out, so I'm going to unbox it. So, whip that off the back, out of the way. We're going to flip it over and reveal that Ghost Cipher controller. And oh my, what can I say? That is a good looking controller. With the transparent top, you can see all the mechanical workings inside. It feels different. It feels different to the normal painted controllers. Now, I don't know if that is just my perception of things. So you've got the joysticks with silver tops and white bases. And one thing that I absolutely love is you can see the bottom of the joysticks. You can see that it's got like a black section at the bottom, which is really cool looking. You've also got those then transparent buttons, which look absolutely amazing. And you've got the silver start, select, and share button as well. I absolutely love the contrast with the bronze finish D-pad and triggers on the back. Then you've got the silver bumpers on the back. Like you'd expect with your Gen 9 controllers, you can connect this via Bluetooth to your Xbox, your PC, mobile phone, smart TV, laptop. So there's now a range of different things that you can connect your Xbox controller to. And you also have the ability to swap between the device that you are playing with at any one time. You can then swap between the last device you paired the controller to as well. Then over the back, with the contrast of those bronze, you've got the rubberized rear backs, and you've got the white back like you would get on a standard Gen 9 controller, so like the red. But the white works so well on this controller. So you've got the usual connectivity you'd expect from your Xbox controller. You've got the USB-C on the back to connect to a console or a PC. You can also use that to charge if you put an internal battery in the side, so one of the rechargeable battery packs. You can charge it via that USB-C as well. And then on the other side, you've got your headphone jack and your usual connectors. Now, this is great. There are some batteries in the box for this as well, which I'm just going to pop in. So the batteries are now in, and you can see that Xbox controller flashing, looking for something to pair with. And the whole way it's designed with the white flashing button, the white backs, it looks really nice and really does blend very, very well. I mean, that is a good looking controller. Now I'm just going to reach back and I'm going to get the Elite here, because I actually think this gives the Elite some run for its money. I mean, you've got similar rubberized grips on the back as well. This is slightly lighter. That is possibly my new favorite controller from Xbox. And I'm probably going to play the newest release with this, Call of Duty. Ciao.